Hi friends, in this video we'll analyze a very interesting concept in our favorite play-to-earn game, ProjectHive. You'll learn how we can use the HGT token in DAO, so let's start. But let's remember what this game is. This is play-to-earn role-playing game developed on Solana in which you play as one character with other players. The game contains NFTs that you can use in battle and buy and sell. ProjectHive is famous for its excellent and realistic graphics. So, HGT, as we know, is the main token of ProjectHive. It is a fundamental part of the ProjectHive DAO ecosystem. Holding HGT grants voting rights for each DAO initiative. Depending on the number of your tokens, you have a certain voting power for a certain event. For example, if you have 0.1% of the total pool and another user will have 1% of the total pool, the second user's voting power is much higher than yours, and this voice will have more power and influence on a certain event. So the more tokens you have, the better for voting. That's clear, let's move on. The power of community. When you have HGT, you get the opportunity to vote for a certain event. That is, when a DAO event occurs, users decide to participate in the voting process. Those who have HGT tokens can reserve a certain amount of tokens for a certain pool that they deem necessary. And the voting power will depend on the percent or part of your contribution. As we said before, the voting power will depend on the percent of your contribution. The greater your percentage of the total pool, the more weighty your voice in the vote. So let's analyze one of the examples shown in the table. The first player has 2564 token HGT on the balance, but he used all the tokens in the void and his share is 1.31%. If you take the second player, he has 1101 token HGT on his balance, but he reserved 5000 token HGT, which is 2.56%. And this means that the share of the second player is almost 2 times greater than that of the first, and accordingly the voting power is also rated. On the other hand, he will not be able to participate in another event until the current pool is exhausted and the reserved token are unlocked because all his tokens are reserved. There is a downside to reserving all coins in this. Initially, we offer a very limited number of events that can be voted on in the DAO ecosystem. The number of events will increase slowly but steadily, depending on the development of the game and the stabilization of the play-to-earn game economy. So friends, we have dealt with you with the DAO in the play-to-earn game ProjectHive. You learned how we can vote in various events, how voting power is measured and more. More later, until the next meetings.